Guys, before we get into the 2024 Mustang content, where the heck is my car? This is it. We have 5 days left, maybe 4 days left, maybe 3 days left. Depends when you watch this. The 500 giveaway ends July 4th. So go now to on3supply.com, grab a hat like this or one of our shirts like this, and you're entered to win the GT500. This opportunity knocks only once in a lifetime. So go now, on3supply.com, grab some merch. This could be your car. All right, on to the video. Let's go. All right, guys, I gotta tell you, I don't know what is going on with the 2024 Mustangs right now because I'm getting new information every day. I've hit up every nook and cranny, Bob, Joe, Billy, Jack, Seema, whoever, about what's going on in 24 Mustang, because I'll be real with you, I was staying silent because I believed that I was getting my 24 Mustang this week. And didn't happen, obviously, which was disappointing. But let me explain to you what I know about what's going on and this drone footage and all that kind of craziness. And why there are thousands and thousands of 24 Mustangs built, but basically just sitting on the lot. First, I'll give you some background on what happened with me. I had originally ordered a dark horse because, you know, I wanted to get the dark horse, and I went through, I believe, was the best channels I could have. And unfortunately, even my dark horse won't be built till like end of July. Could be here August, September. I'm not sure. So I was scrambling, and I put a post on Instagram said I need help finding a Mustang. I was like, "Oh, aren't you like best friends with Ford? Don't you know?" And then unfortunately, people were making fun of me more than helping. But I was able to find a dealership who was also a friend of the channel, who was able to allocate me one GT. That was going to come in. So I was like, all right, let's go. And the date it was supposed to come in was June 27th. I'm in the ST, so it's not here, right? So what's going on? My car is built. My car is passed. It's ready to go, but it can't pass what they call okay to buy stage, meaning it gets approved and it heads over and transported to dealership. And then I can make a lot of fun content. So I'm a little frustrated. So this is what I know so far, is that a few reasons why the Mustangs are sitting there is, one, because the plant hasn't been kind of working right now, because one, July 4th break is going, you know, and that's understandable. So the plant hasn't been operating this past week. Two, Ford is like being super duper, that's even a word, about quality control with this Mustang, because we talked about it before. There's no secret that there's been some quality control issues with recalls with Ford the last few years with a lot of their products, and they're not about to have the 24 Mustang have issues. And especially people like me who like to vlog the ownership experience and modification experience hurt their reputation. So I get it. But it feels like we're a little bit in the dark here sometimes, because we get letters that, hey, your car is taking longer than expected because there's a supply chain issue, or we hear, hey, your car's coming in August. So it's kind of all over the map. I'm with everybody in this pool trying to figure it out. There's some cars that dealer says they're coming, but then of course the main contact I have, and I appreciate you all who do contact me, and I can't give up names so I'm not getting people in trouble, but basically the cars are sitting there waiting to be double checked for QC and make sure they're good. So that's where we stand right now. And lastly, what I know is, and I can share with you, the media drives haven't occurred yet for the 24 Mustang. They are going to be occurring in July. I can't tell you who, what, when, and where, because then I can't, you know, I don't want to give up that information, because then I can't operate and be a part of those opportunities. They haven't occurred yet. So I could be thinking that we might not get those cars potentially till after the media drives, which kind of confuses me, because I would figure it just seems like the timing is a little off. I'm trying to gauge it. I'm not trying to talk trash to anybody. Everyone's doing their best. I'm just telling you what I'm experiencing and what's happening right now. So the three things I know is the plant's not been operating. Obviously, the July 4th weekend coming up, vacation, summertime. Two is the QC controls. Ford is making sure everything is passing, like triple check. I was supposed to go see the car being built. They won't allow me because it's a brand new, production vehicle, and they want to make sure everything is good. So the plant's kind of been shut down to that. We do have some drone footage. And then thirdly, I'm trying to figure out the media drive situation. The media drives haven't occurred yet. So because those haven't occurred, I'm wondering, are we gonna, we're gonna have the media drives released first and then the cars released? I don't know. I don't know the answer to that. I do know the media drives are in July. Maybe they're trying to have them all coincide. I don't know. Have I driven 24 Mustang yet? Yes. Can I give you any impressions? No. Am I excited and antsy to get one? Absolutely. So that's kind of where we stand with the 24 Mustang. For people who have questions or want to chime in below with their experience, I gave you mine. Those are my 3 things. Plant shutdown, QC items, and the media drives are kind of what from my lens, what I can explain to you, what is kind of like going on with the who, what, when, and where from what my purview is. Everybody has a different, obviously perspective because they have different, abilities to see different things and they're higher up the food chain or whatnot. But that's kind of what I know. My car is built. It's not moving. It's sitting in the lot waiting for the okay to buy, they call it. And then the dealership gets it and hopefully we can go ham and have a lot of fun. So that's where I'm at. So I have a GT that's built. My door course isn't going to be ready for maybe the fall, late summer. I might not even get it at that point because I have so many plans for the 24. But that's what I know right now. This drone footage is pretty cool. A subscriber sent it to me, but you can see there's just so many Mustangs that are built just waiting. So, I know there were some people are comparing it to the Bronco situation and what happened with, their delivery. So it's frustrating, I know. I think and I believe that Ford did say, to their defense, summer 2024, no, we don't want to wait that long. Summer 2023, the 24 Mustangs will be delivered. So they did say that. So most likely, I would say worst case scenario, people are getting their cars end of July, early August. Best case, the next few weeks. So what that means is potentially owners will be getting their cars before the media drives even happen, at least the GT and the EcoBoost variants. So we'll see what happens. Again, this is all fluid. I'm just reporting to you as, I guess you could say, a Mustang insider. I don't really see myself. I'm just a guy like you who just takes advantage of opportunities that come my way. But that's what I know, and that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Anyways, I appreciate it. I wanted to give you that update. I've been trying to wait. I was trying to surprise y'all. I got the 24 Mustang. It didn't happen. So that's where I stand, guys. Just to let you know, too, the GT500 giveaway ends July 4th. We got about 4 or 5 days left. Grab, like we said at the beginning, grab some merch and enter to win a Shelby GT500. This is probably our last very high-end GT500 we're doing for a while. That's an expensive car, and the overhead is crazy. But hey, that's awesome because one of you who is watching will have a chance to win that car you saw in my garage. So that's pretty exciting. But it ends July 4th. Get in now. 500x bonus entries is live to win that car. So you want to go now, get in while it's hot, get entered, and you can win the G500. All right, you guys, I'll keep you posted in the fluid situation. Who knows? Maybe my car shows up on Monday, July 4th. I don't know. But again, that's out of my hands. We'll see what happens. This is what I know. Tell me what you know. Comment below, because you know it never ends. Peace. And just to end this video, guys, want to give a shout out to some of the merch we have. The Stangmode 5.0s are live. And of course, we have the giveaway 500. Remember, all you got to do, grab some cool merch like this. Hats like this, get you that. An opportunity to win a GT500. So it ends July 4th. Let freedom ring. Grab yourself some merch. Enter to win this car. All right. Good luck, guys. Let's go. Guys, never underestimate the importance of $1. Because $1 can get you entered to win this $100,000 Shelby GT500. Just go to on3spot.com, spend $1. This could be yours. Good luck.